Elohim are the full manifestation of God. Elohim is the Hebrew plural noun for God. It means Father, Mother, God. And so purity and Astrea represent God on the fourth ray. Elohim are vast beings of light. They can ensoul a cosmos. It is Elohim who created in the beginning. It is the Hebrew noun Elohim that is used in Genesis and 2,500 other times in the Old Testament. And it simply says God, so you don't know that that is the word being used. So here is a plurality in unity, and we go back to the Father, Mother, God. Astrea is famous for her circle and sword of blue flame. We visualize that circle around us, the sword parallel with the spine. She comes to us to demagnetize us of all things of this world that are less than our individual Christhood. When you live in a city that is burdened with records, discarnates, momentums of darkness, and you give your calls to Astrea, you can daily be cut free and really feel how your force field, your consciousness is your own. And you will find your home cleared out of all that is astral, and in its place, you will find angels of light occupying wherever you are, accompanying you wherever you go.